Good boy, Barney. Good boy, Barney. There we are. You want that one? Good boy. There's a good boy. Another one? Good boy. There we are, Barney. There's your good boy. Oh, no. Good boy. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl, Barney. Good boy, Barney. All right. Well done. Good boy. Good boy, Barney. Well done, Rosie. Well done. Barney, where are you? There we are. Coming to a road here, so come here. Right, here's a road. Sit, Barney. Sit. Sit. Barney, sit. Barney, sit. Sit down. Okay. All right, Barney. I said, oh, I didn't have to say sit that time, did I? Good boy. All right, good boy. There you go. Okay? Good boy. Barney? Barney, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Nothing there. Good boy. All right, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. Right, sit. That's a bit of sausage. I don't really like that, yeah? Oh, good boy. Well done. You did it. Look.
It's hard enough, I can't pick Phil up.
Look how they are.
Just be kept mindful of some rolling going on.
Archie? All right, come on. Come on. Barney. Barney, here you go. There you go. Good boy. There we go. Just a little bit, okay? Good boy. Well done. Good boy. Rosie, Bonnie. Good girls and boys. Good girl and boy. I think I'm being sat on. Good boy. All right. You didn't tell me he likes laps. What am I to do? I didn't invite him up. You pleased to be home out of the rain? Good boy. Really enjoying a tiny piece of rawhide. Hopefully too small to bury. And gone. Is it belly rubs? Huh? Good boy.
With the Cadbury Secret Santa Postal Service, you can send free chocolates secretly from a poster. They're popular around the country. From great big cities to tiny little towns.
Gently, good boy, gently. That's it, good boy. Well done.
18 plus, free service on selected products while stocks last until 20.
Good boy. You, hey? Gently, gently, gently. Gently. Good boy. Gently. Good boy. That's better. It's all right, Barney. Barney, it's okay. Barney, here. Here, have that. Find it, Barney. Find it. Barney, find it. Good boy. Find it, Barney. Good boy, Barney.
I got really problems out the front.
Oh, good boy, Barney. All right. Good boy. Here you are, Barney. Here you are, Barney. Good boy, Barney. Barney, come. Barney, come. Well, that worked. I know. Annoying leads. Okay, Rosie. Barney. Here you go, guy. Here we are. Good boy. You going to sit for me? You going to sit for me? Sit. Good boy. There we are. Good boy. Give me a paw. That's it. There we are. Good boy. Barney. Barney. Good boy. Look at this. Good boy. What we got? Naked protein. Peanut butter. Oh well. We know you might like doggy peanut butter, eh? Good boy. Barney, you want to go on your walk? Okay. Good boy. You want to give me the lead? Want to give me the lead? I know you want the walk. You kept telling me for half an hour. Come on then, let's go. Let's go then, shall we? There we go. Come on then. Come on then. Good boy. Where are you? There you are. Good boy. You ready for your walk? Good boy. All set? Come on then. Good boy. How you doing, Barney? How you doing, Barney? Good boy. Here's your good boy. Here's your good boy. Good boy, Barney. Hello, mate. Oh, you want kisses, do you? You want kisses, do you? Good boy. All right, good boy. Don't know if they're dizzy, but I am. Barney, come. Rosie, come. Barney. Good girl, Rosie. Come on, Barney. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Well done.
Check out the website while Terry tickles the dash of hundreds of calves. Watch out, Sue. You'll never get him home now. With a 90-day warranty and 14-day money-back guarantee. Terry and Sue are...
Come on then, Barney. Rosie wants a treat. Does Barney want a treat? Come on, Barney. Come on, Barney. Go. Treat. Oh, no fool, is it? Good boy, Barney. And Rosie. And Luna. Good girl. Barney, look at the state of you. Good God. Good boy, Barney. There we go. There's a good boy. There's a good boy, Barney. Hey, that's my scarf you've got there, you pair. You gonna give me my scarf back? Barney, come. Good boy. Well done, Barney. Good boy. Well done. Barney, come. Good boy. Well done, Barney. Good boy. Well done. Barney, come. Barney, come. Barney, come. Come on then. Right.